Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding the IMEI number on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you two ways of finding your phone's IMEI number. The first way is through the phone app. Open up the phone app and dial in *#06#. Your IMEI number or numbers will appear on the screen. At the bottom, you will also see the serial number. The second way I will show you to find your IMEI number is through the settings. Open up the Settings app, scroll down to and tap on About Phone. Here you can see lots of information about your phone, including its IMEI number or numbers. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.